What's going on, guys? BrandedAlchemy here, and we're playing Sound Shapes again. I have a different setup than I usually do here. I think it looks a lot better. If I can keep it steady, I'm gonna try and keep it steady. Also, I didn't explain very good last time. The thumbnail for these videos will include the, like right here, this thumbnail will have that picture in it, and at the end it'll have the whole background filled out, which will look really cool. Also, I'm keeping track of how many tokens I miss. So yeah, we're gonna have a score at the end of the season. So we're gonna play Rethumpin Thanks by Pikathon. He told me about this, so I'm gonna play it. It sounds really good. Um, it looks really clear on the camera the way I have it set up right now. I'm hoping I can keep it steady, so hopefully this level isn't too difficult. Free to thanks. TRW13. Getting 79. Durban. I can't read that one. It looks like we're just gonna be falling. So this should be a good way to test out this camera. A9 1992. Southern Dude. 20. I couldn't read that one. 19. Wait, why'd we start? Why'd we go all the way back here? Do I have to hold it a certain way or something, or? I don't. Vanquish Q. Sifinofa. Rhino Kid. He said that I was in here somewhere, so I'm just curious. Oh, there I am! Oh, that's so cool! Well, thank you, Pikathon. I really like this. What again? Well, we win. Didn't get the high score, though. But we are going to remember to like it. So we got 19 out of 19 that time. I have to keep track of that. Also in the description for these videos will be the current score, or the video score, and then the total at the end of the video score. So, yeah. Also, we have one more level we want to play. And, this was not suggested, I just found it. I haven't played it, but the picture looks fantastic. So, we're gonna be playing that. Go to the news feed. Let it load here. Where's it at? The Dead DJ, right here. By Earl Lee Grave. So let's play it. It looks really cool. If you like this level, follow this user. I think I am. Let's play it. Alright. Whoa. What? Whoa. Oh, I'm confused at what's going on. Remember, we gotta get all the tokens. None left behind. Oh yeah, I found where that one I missed was. It was right at the beginning. I had it, but then I died and forgot to go back and get it. So, yeah. That's just fantastic is what that is. Okay. 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 Oh, and if you have any suggestions for levels, don't forget to suggest them so that I can play your levels. Holy crap, how the end am I gonna get that one? Ah! Poop. Okay. Like so. There we go. I think the camera's focusing. I'm trying to look through the camera as I do this. Oh, the end am I gonna get over that? Nope. Come on. Just tap on that corner. Nope. Come on. There we go. I'm not sure if that's how we're supposed to do it, but that's how we did it. Come on. I'm hoping to get really good at this, so like next season or something we can add in. I'm going back to get this checkpoint just in case I die. So that we can add in trying to get the high score on these levels. I would like to do that. But yeah, I'd have to be good at it first. I mean, I could try to do it, but yeah, I guarantee you it ain't gonna happen. Whoa, where am I at? Holy crap. I like this idea because this is really hard. That's what she said. Okay. Okay. I don't know where we're going. Okay, we're over here now. How many tokens do we have? So we're halfway done-ish. Go fast. Oh man. Oh man. Nope, come on. Come on, hop. Nope, come on. You can do it. Hup, hup, hup. Oh man. This level is boo. Oh, is this a Halloween? This must be a Halloweeny level. Halloween. I guess I should have picked up on that from... What was it called? I forgot what it's called. It was something that sounded spooky like. Okay. Okay. Oh man, that was close. Is that an... Oh, this is so cool. Ah! Oh, I thought I died. Oh, that thing's spooky looking. Holy crap. Oh, get the checkpoint again. Oh, oh. Oh, how the end am I gonna get over this? Oh, got it. Oh. Oh man. Oh man. I'm nervous about this. Ah! That was a cheap death. That was a cheap death, I'm not gonna lie. Oh! No, yeah, grab that checkpoint though. Okay. Okay. Let's go. We can do this. Man! I'm getting so nervous about this. So nervous about this. Huh. Okay. Come on, we can do this. We can do this. We're doing good. We're doing fantastically good. Oh, balls. No, so we don't go over there, okay. Crap! Nope. Come on. Come on, grab all the tokens we can. Okay, come on. Come on. Crap! Okay. We're doing this. We're doing this, guys. We're doing it. Okay. Oh man, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do this. Right now, we're doing it right now. Oh, is this the end right here? This the end right here. This the end right here. This the end right here. Yeah, we win! 101, yes! I like that level a lot. I think I got better at this game too. I got better! Okay. Where did we place here? 14th. Okay. I'm okay with that. Yes, I am following. Okay. If you want to play this level for yourself, the level is called The Dead DJ. So, yeah. If you've enjoyed, please leave a like. Subscribe to see more. And be sure to leave your suggestions for different levels you'd like to see me play in the comments below. And I'll see you guys next episode.